Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play C Battle on iMessage. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your messaging app and then go ahead and find the contact or existing conversation with the person you want to play against. Okay, so once you're in here, go to the plus sign right here at the bottom left. Just tap on it, then tap on More, and then go ahead and tap on Store right here. So tap on it and we are going to find Game Pigeon. So go ahead and use the search bar at the very top and just type it down. Game Pigeon right here. So tap on it and just tap on Get. Now once that's installed, let's go ahead and go back to iMessage right here or Messages. Tap on the plus sign again. And then we are going to find again More. And you should be able to see Game Pigeon. Okay, go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, all you got to do is just tap on C Battle. And then you can customize it right here, select the game mode, and then just tap on Play. After that, just tap on Play right here. The person just needs to join, and both of you go ahead and enjoy. And that is how you play C Battle on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.